Many individuals find repetitive tasks difficult, as they often find them boring and monotonous. However, individuals with autism often really enjoy these types of tasks and are sometimes very good at them. One reason for this is that repetitive tasks give us a daily routine, which can be essential for our everyday well-being. We often find communication and interaction difficult, and these types of tasks require us to work on our own, which means that we often won't have to interact with lots and lots of people. If we are doing something that we really enjoy, then we will often become engrossed in that particular task, and by doing so, we will be able to focus for longer periods of time. So, repetitive tasks that many people find really challenging are tasks that individuals with autism can thrive in.